The magic onion, things you didn't know onions could do. For thousands of years, onions have been the main ingredients into many traditional dishes and cuisines all across the globe, and many traditional medicines have been using it as a natural remedy as well. Actually, onions are being considered the best natural remedy for the treatment of severe vomiting, and they can easily boost our immune system. The onion is a member of the allium family, and it has one of the strongest antibiotic and antiseptic properties, because it contains huge amounts of sulfur. The onion is also loaded with quercetin, a powerful antioxidant which is very effective against free radicals, which explains why the onions are used in so many treatments against numerous health conditions and ailments. The onions can be also used for the treatment of many respiratory conditions, and they are one of the strongest expectorants. Due to their powerful antioxidant properties, flavonoid and sulfur compounds, the onion can be used for treating arthritis, diabetes, high cholesterol levels, and heart diseases. The Native Americans have been using the onions mostly for colds and flu. Also, the World Health Organization confirmed the onion's ability to relieve from respiratory infections. Onions' uses for many health issues and ailments. Vomiting. Take 2 onions, 1 yellow and 1 white, and grate them. Then squeeze out their juice and try using a cheesecloth to make the process easier. Then make some peppermint tea. Next, consume 2 teaspoons of the onion juice and wait for about 5 minutes, then consume 2 teaspoons of the peppermint tea and wait for another 5 minutes. Repeat this process until the symptoms are gone. The vomiting should go right away and nausea will disappear in about 15 minutes. Cough. Take a big white onion and slice it in 2 equal halves, get some brown sugar and cover both of the halves in it. Let them infuse each other for 1 hour, and then you can consume the remedy 2 times on daily basis to relieve from the cough. Colic. For colic babies, we have one of the most famous recipes, the Cherokee Indian recipe. First, get a yellow onion, dice it and boil it and let the mixture cool down. Then you can strain the mixture and feed the baby a single teaspoon every hour, until you notice that the symptoms are completely gone. Ear pain or infection. Get an onion and chop it in very small cubes. Use a thin sock to put the onion inside and tie it. Then put the sock directly on the painful ear and put on a hat so that the sock may stay in place. When the pain disappears, you can take off the hat and the sock off your ear. Break up chest congestion. Crush some onions and mix them together with some coconut oil. You will get a paste-like mixture. Then use that paste to rub your chest, then cover your chest with a towel and try putting on a t-shirt. Fever. Cut a medium-sized onion in 2 equal halves, get some coconut oil and rub it on your feet on the bottom. Use the onion by placing it on your foot arch, and use a cling wrap to make sure the onion doesn't move. Then put on a sock, that way you will also relieve from toxins in your body and relieve from the illness, of course. Purify the air. You can use the onions to cleanse your air in your house from viruses and bacteria. In each corner around your house, put some onion slices. Cuts. Since the skin of the onion has a transparent film with some pretty interesting antiseptic properties, you can use it to stop bleeding from a cut. There are some other practical uses of the onions, such as these below. For example, you can prevent some iron from rusting by rubbing some onion onto it. Or you can rub some onion juice on your scalp, which will prevent it from damaging and will stimulate hair growth as well. Boil some onions and use the juice in a spray bottle to spray on your plants. This will protect them from bugs. Since you've learned these things about the onions, give these simple tricks a try and let us know what you think. Share this article if you find it interesting and helpful. For more health advice, be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.